take your bucket that way.
Kat has an eye, you guys, in tall grass. She just saw this Mesoxaea here. I'm hoping it's a female. It is a female. So it's a female, so now I get to put her under the microscope. Thanks, Kat. So here we have a data point from April 21st. Monday? I thank you, Kat. Man, Kat is amazing, you guys. Okay, on the nature trail, and for a moment, a Mesoxaea texana was nectaring on that Palofoxia. Oh, yes. Oh, excellent. It's on Synancum barbidrum. Look at that. That's so neat.